In this video, we're going to show you how to add a text watermark in Microsoft Excel, whether you are on Windows or Mac. Let's begin. Whether you want to add text like draft or confidential, or use a custom company logo, this video covers it all. Let's see how. First, open Microsoft Excel. Now open a spreadsheet of your choice. Now click on Insert, and then click on Text Box. Draw a text box as per your requirement of the watermark. Now write the content of the watermark inside the text box. You can also format and customize the watermark. Once done, select the text box. Now click on Shape Format. If you want to remove the background of the text box, you can do so by clicking on Shape Fill and then selecting No Fill. Go ahead and choose a color for your watermark. Once done, we need to remove the outline of the box. So, in the Shape Format ribbon, click on Text Outline and select No Outline. Lastly, you can see that the watermark is hiding content behind it. To fix it, right-click on the text box and click on Format Text Effects. A side panel will appear. Click on Text Options and the first A icon. Now adjust the transparency from here to create an authentic-looking watermark of your liking. And there you have it. You have created your own text watermark inside Microsoft Excel. For more tech tips and tricks like these, subscribe to Guiding Tech and discover one of these videos, handpicked just for you.